Welcome to Moss Review. So today we're going to do something different. We're going to do a comparison video. We're going to do the Emeet HS20 versus the Logitech H390. Now their price almost identical. They do the same thing. There's just slight differences in the designs, the remotes, and everything. So we're going to do pretty much a comparison in the packaging, also the remote, the cable length, comfort and design and audio level, and then we'll do the overall total. I do think that they could be fairly close, so it's going to be a slight preference, and then also I guess of comfort and everything. It's all determined on your head size and also the way it fits around your head and everything. So pretty much it's all skewed dependent on how it fits you. So we're going to do the pretty much review the packaging first, and then we'll continue on and then until we get to the review, the total at the end. So here we have the packaging. To the left is the Logitech, to the right is the Emeet. I like the transparent packages, so you can see the components, what's inside it, as opposed to the one on the Emeet, which is kind of hidden. And so for me, the clear winner is the Logitech H390. Next, we're going to go to the remote. So here we have the remote. So on the left, we have the Logitech, on the right, the Emeet. Now the Logitech has the volume up, volume down, mute, whereas the Emeet has the mic on off, volume plus, volume down, and the speaker on off. I prefer the Emeet. The icons, illustration, everything, and the set layout is way what I expect from the remote. So for me, the Emeet wins. Next, we have the cable length. The left is Logitech, right is the Emeet. And so after testing and stretching the cable, the Emeet has probably like a foot and a half over the Logitech. So the Emeet wins. So next we're going to do the comfort and design. So here we have the comfort and design. To the left is the Logitech, to the right is the Emeet. Now the Logitech has a clicking sound, which is on the top left, whereas the right has the Emeet, has a clicking sound when you move the mic. They're both extremely comfortable. I would say that they're pretty much tied. I don't think that there's a difference between one or the other. And so for me, both are exactly the same. So comfort and design, I give them as tied. And so next we're going to do the audio test. So here we're doing the audio test with the Logitech. And so I'm pretty much speaking right next to it. So I'm going to take it off and then walk back and talk. Okay, so I'm walking back. I'm probably like 8 feet away, and see if it reduces the noise. I'm like 10 feet away, see if it reduces the noise. Okay, so here I'm doing the audio test with the Emeet, and so I'm talking right next to the microphone. So I'm gonna put it down and then walk away and see how well it sounds. Okay, so I'm about 5 feet away, and so hopefully it reduces the noise. Here I'm about like 10 feet away, so hopefully it reduces the noise. Okay, so next we're going to do the total review and pretty much close it. So for me, the obvious winner is the Emeet because the audio is clearer, less noise in the background, and also the volume is a lot higher. So next we'll do the total review. Okay, so now that we've finished, you can tell that the packaging was won by Logitech. The remote, I prefer the Emeet because of the design and simplicity of the icons and everything. The cable length, the Emeet has the longer cable length. I stretched it out as far as I can. the Emeet has like a foot and a half extra, it seems like. Then the comfort, they both kind of almost similar, depends on head size and adjustable, and also the cushion. So it's just different determinations. And then the design, the Logitech has a clicking when you move this up and down, while the Emeet has the clicking when you move the mic up and down. So those two things could be better, designed, so there's no sound as you're working and adjusting your headset. So, and then there's the audio. The Emeet's obviously the better one. The Logitech is still right on par, pretty close to it. So overall total, I really do like the Emeet preferably better. I think that this is my what I expect from a headset more simplicity on the remote. Also, the cable length is longer, so I could do things and walk or do something. I don't have to depend on the cable length of the Logitech. Also, the comfort levels is pretty much on par. They're almost tied. So overall total, I think the Emeet definitely surpasses the Logitech. I think I would recommend the Emeet first and then the Logitech, but as I said previously, it's all on preference and comfort and how it shapes to your head and everything. So hope this video helps you in your buying decision process, and I will have a link for the Emeet and the Logitech. Again, I recommend the Emeet more, so I'll have it in the description. Hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video.